Hello and welcome to my workshop. If you've been watching or if you watched the last video or the last preceding 3 videos, you'll know by now that we're making a trivet, a serving dish trivet that has 3 of these bowls in. We're incorporating the CNC router machine, 6090 model, wood lathe, which we're going to use in this video now. To complete this, we're going to make a base out of a piece of this, and we're going to turn this up to make the bottom column, I suppose you'd call it, and stem for the top. And then we're going to drill in the top of that stem and put this little knob on top. So here we go. we've got to do is glue it together. If I can get some glue out. Don't you just hate that when your glue spout gets all blocked up? Christmas present. Well, there is the finished item. May not be to everybody's taste, but I rather like it. So that goes to prove that the small industrial CNC machine, you can make some sellable items. And I hope this series of videos that I've produced, the last 4 videos, explain in enough detail for you that you can make your own projects for sale and make your hobby or small business pay for itself. Unfortunately, this is probably going to be the last video I make for a little while because I need to go away and do my job overseas, so it's probably going to be about 6 to 8 weeks before I'm able to put another video up. So well, I hope you'll join me again when I come back. If you've liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and press like. Pass it on to your friends, because that's the way the channel actually grows. And bottom corner down there, little red box, that will take you to my YouTube channel, where there you will find information about CNCs, how to operate them. There you will find information about CNC routers, CNC machines in general, the programs to run them like Mark III, ArtCAM, and later on TurboCAD. I'll be introducing TurboCAD. Also wood lathe work and shop jobs that I do around here, and there's something for everybody, I think. So all I've got to say now is thank you very much for watching. thank you for watching all my videos. I know it's an amazing response, more than I ever thought would happen. It's now 4.5 million views and nearly 14,000 subscribers, and I thank you very much for watching and subscribing to my channel. And you know, it's, what else can I say? It's an amazing thing, and all I can say now is bye for now, until next time. Bye.